What is algorithmic transparency? Have you ever wondered how decisions are made by artificial intelligence systems? Today, we are going to discuss a key concept that helps us understand these processes: algorithmic transparency. This term refers to the clarity and openness surrounding how algorithms function, the data they utilize, and the decisions they generate. It is essential for anyone who interacts with or is impacted by these automated systems. At its core, algorithmic transparency has two main components: accessibility and explainability. Accessibility means that the data, code, and models behind an algorithm should be available for inspection. However, it is not just about making this information public. Qualified individuals, like researchers or regulators, should be able to analyze the algorithm to ensure it complies with established rules and to identify any potential issues. Simply sharing the source code is not enough if the algorithm's behavior remains unclear or too complicated to interpret. Next, we have explainability. This aspect involves providing understandable explanations for how an algorithm reaches its conclusions. The level of detail can vary based on the audience. Technical experts may require in-depth information, while the general public might need simpler, more intuitive explanations. Algorithmic transparency plays a vital role in emerging computing technologies and artificial intelligence ethics. It encourages fairness, accountability, and trust. When organizations are open about how their algorithms work and the data they rely on, it helps ensure that automated decisions are free from bias and discrimination. This transparency allows for the identification and correction of errors or misuse, which is particularly important in sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, hiring, and public services. Key features of algorithmic transparency include providing clear explanations of the data inputs, processing steps, and decision logic used by algorithms. This helps prevent them from becoming opaque, black boxes. It is also important to give access to training and operational data sets so independent reviewers can detect and address biases or inaccuracies. Organizations should disclose any potential biases that may arise from data collection or algorithm design. Regular public reporting on the outcomes and impacts of algorithmic systems is also essential, including how any detected biases or errors were managed. In essence, algorithmic transparency is about making automated decision-making systems understandable and open to scrutiny. It supports ethical practices in artificial intelligence by enabling oversight and building trust between organizations and the public. As computing technologies continue to evolve and influence various aspects of society, algorithmic transparency will remain as a critical factor in ensuring responsible and fair use of these powerful tools.